Alright, now I'm getting ready for the towel bars installation. I got this kit at the Costco for $30. So it comes with two towel bars, 24-inch towel ring, toilet paper holder, and this thing here for, they call it a robe hook. And it comes with templates and instructions and stuff like that. So what I did is this is what the towel bar looks like just sitting out. I first wanted to determine what height that I wanted it installed at, and I decided to install it at the same height as the center point of the light switch. Two towel bars right here. So I got my level set up, and I measured everything out so I could have equal distance of 1 1/4 inch here, and at the end. So I've got everything spaced out pretty good, and I've already got everything up. Everything is level, and I'm checking to see where the studs are located. I don't think I might hit a stud here, and I might hit a stud on that one, but that's about it. That is definitely not a stud. And anyways, I'm just going to start right here. They give you this kit of mounting hardware, which is just the plastic nylon, but personally, especially on a towel bar, that's, I mean, ideally what I want to do all stud mount. If I can grab at least one screw, I'll be totally solid, and I'll probably grab at least that one. So nice 1 5/8 inch screw there into the stud. That one will be nice and solid. But when you don't have a stud like this one here, rather than use these nylon BS, go with the metal anchors, easy auger anchors, something like this. You got to be careful on the style. There's so many different styles that they sell. Like here's one in which they have like an open recess there for the screw head to kind of pop out. Here's another one that they sell, but it's all closed. So if you're, depending upon the screw length, like hypothetically if you were to use this really long screw here and you were to screw this in here, you would bottom out inside the anchor. So I hate purchasing the ones that have this this design. What I do is I actually will chop that off. Like here's one in which I cut the end of it off or something, so this way I don't have to worry about bottoming out the screw. The screw will just, whatever the length of the screw is, will just come out. Anyways, I gotta grab some more. I don't have enough, but that'll at least get me started. And now that I got the templates up on the wall, I'm just gonna go ahead and install those. The towel bar will go over here somewhere, and the robe hook, I don't know what to do with the robe hook. Maybe I'll put the robe hook, maybe I won't even put the robe hook actually. On the back of the door I got a couple of hooks that let me show you what I got for the back of the door if they're over here. I got these things. That's just going to go on the back of the door, so that's a robe hook. I don't know, it's the right color. It's a brushed nickel, but anyways, I don't know. I don't know if I'll use that robe hook or not. I don't know. Anyways, that's it for now. I'll just go ahead and install this out. There's the final product for the toilet bars. So there's two 24-inch bars installed to the middle of the light switch over on this wall. And on this wall, I just put the towel ring, making sure that it was, when the door is in the open position, be somewhere in between. I still got to ring hang the door. I was just trying to get things cleaned up in here.